Digita Virtual Office opens up a world of opportunity to increase productivity, recruit and maintain qualified staff, ensure the security of client data, and enhance overall practice efficiency. With anytime, anywhere access to your practice's essential software and files, you and your staff can work from multiple locations 24/7 with just an internet connection. With Digita Virtual Office, you can offer your existing staff the option of working from home, allow them to take advantage of flexible working hours, and enable those who may need to relocate to continue working for you. In a cloud environment, all data is stored at a Thomson Reuters data centre in the UK, which offers the highest security measures. With Digita Virtual Office, your client data is safe from external threats, alleviating you of the worry associated with potential data loss by a system failure, theft, or natural disaster. Digita Virtual Office employs advanced technology to offer practices anytime, anywhere, secure access to files and software, offering you an easy way to securely communicate with your clients around the clock without any documents leaving the data center. With Digita Virtual Office, you don't need to spend time on upgrades. Cut down on software, hardware, and server administration and maintenance. With 24/7 remote access, your practice's productivity will soar. Within Digita Virtual Office, we offer the Digita Professional Suite, select Microsoft applications in Exchange, and Microsoft's Group Collaboration System to offer integrated systems designed so your work flows efficiently from start to finish. More and more accountants are taking advantage of flexible web-based technologies to advance their practices. Make the move to Digita Virtual Office from Thomson Reuters and enhance your practice's efficiency.